Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to make some money online is with instant recall. If you haven't heard of instant recall, it's basically an app that will pay you for referring other people. But not only will they pay you one time, they will pay you every single month for every referral that you bring in to instant recall. Now, I've done several videos about instant recall, but in this one, I'm just gonna give a little update, for those who already joined or for people that's thinking about joining this opportunity. Now, what I like about instant recall is it only costs $3.99 to be a business builder. So for $3.99 a month, you will be able to earn an unlimited amount of income. All right, it's really up to you. How much you earn is up to you. And you might be thinking, what the hell, man? I gotta pay? I gotta pay to make money? Well, this is why you have to pay to become a business builder with instant recall, because you're actually paying Google, right? That's what you're paying. You're paying the Google fee. So you're not paying some random person, right? You're actually paying Google to be able to use the app. So basically what I'm trying to say is you can have your own online business for $4 a month. Now, since being a member of Instant Recall, I have been paid 3 times so far. And when I tell you this is easy money, I mean, it's easy money. But the key is, which I tell everybody who asks me about it, all you have to do is refer people, right? Keeping it real. If you don't refer nobody, you're not going to make money. I mean, it's as simple as that. All right. So the owner of Instant Recall actually just released a new updates video about what's going on with Instant Recall. So I want to share that with you right now. So one thing about Instant Recall in the past was they was going through different payment processors, different companies that actually pay you, for your referrals. So one company that they was with is called G-Point Wallet. Now, since G-Point Wallet recently decided to get bought out by another company, their payments has been a little shaky the last month, right? A lot of people were getting paid, but a lot of people was having a lot of delays with their payments, and that is at no fault to Instant Recall, right? That was just that their payment company that they're dealing with, they were having issues, right? So that's not a fault at all of Instant Recall. So they actually resolved this issue, and Instant Recall now deals with another payment company called Wise, W-I-S-E, and they are a huge company, super reliable. So now when you join Instant Recall, you don't have to worry about getting your payments late or not getting your payments at all, because they're going to come directly to your email once you start generating referrals from Instant Recall. Another update, which I talked about before, but which is super cool, is not only will you get cash for referring people to Instant Recall, now you're going to actually be able to earn crypto, right? So for every person that you bring into Instant Recall, you're going to earn money and you're going to earn crypto. So right now they are in the final stages of getting everything set up with the whole crypto and how everything's going to work. But best believe very, very shortly, you will be able to earn crypto for every person that you bring into Instant Recall. So this is just damn, this is a no-brainer for anybody who's on that making money online and you have a little interest in crypto. This is what you need to be doing. So I always do this in my videos. I try to show people, but the lighting be messed up. But just to show you that getting referrals is a real thing, I'm gonna show you my Instant Recall app on my phone. Try to see it. So when you go to Instant Recall, let me see if I can, okay, you can see a little bit. You see the little map thing, all right? That's the Instant Recall, that's what it look like. You see my points, all right? You see your boy, you see the points right there, all right? It's real, all right? So anyway, what the hell? Let me take this off real quick. Wait. All right, now I'm gonna show you when you tap on your points, it'll actually show you your referrals. All right, So if you look close, I don't want you to see, well, it's nobody's real name, but you can see all the usernames. And if you see up in here, all right, these are real referrals. This is what your account gonna look like once you start generating referrals. Like, come on, man. Come on now. Like, if I can do this, you can do this. The key is actually taking action. That's what I always tell people. That's what Team Go Mode is about. If you're watching this and you're like, I want to earn some extra cash. I'm ready. What do I got to do? Tell me what I got to do. That's all you got to do. You got to sign up for Instant Recall, right? And start sharing it with people. The cool thing about Instant Recall is once you join and get all set up, in the back of your app, right, you'll see an invite button. All right, you'll see an invite. All you do is tap on that. It'll bring you to all your contacts in your phone, your phone numbers and your social media contacts. You can literally start inviting people within 5 minutes of being set up. You can start generating leads to Instant Recall. That simple. Now, after you do that, now you want to decide, all right, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little side hustle. How else can I promote this? And just like with anything else, you want to promote it however you feel comfortable. So whether it be creating YouTube videos, whether it be posting on social media like Pinterest, Facebook, TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, whatever you want to do. A lot of people are going offline, and that's something I talk about a lot as well. But you can go to Vistaprint and order some cool ass flyers, little business cards, right? With a QR code that directs people to your Instant Recall sales page, right? Don't overcomplicate this. This is a super easy way to earn some extra cash. Don't stress about it. Just sign up and just promote it, right? Use this as a side extra income and it'll make it a lot easier, right? To promote. Now, this is one of the simplest ways to start earning some money online that you can get started with today. But the earning potential is crazy. I'm about to share with you right now how profitable this can be. Now, after you finish watching this video, I'm sure you're gonna be hyped and ready to get started with this opportunity. And all you need to do is click that first link in the description and take action.
Well, here's what I've been telling people, and it's just been exploding. I tell people like, hey, you know, over the next 30, 60, 90 days, what if I could show you a good, genuine way to make over $5,000 a month? And all you have to do is download an app and get other people to download the app. So if you want to make over $5,000 a month, you just find 10 people who download the app, and every person you get to download, tell them to do the same. Just say, hey, go find 10 people to download this app, right? And you can even show them this video, and it's going to do all the explaining for you. So you can send people this video, say, hey, watch this video. Afterwards, trust me, you'll download my app. 10, getting 10, getting 10, getting 10. As you can see, that's over $5,600 a month, right? The extra 60,000 plus coming to your household, that should change a lot, right? I think, now let's get a little crazy. What if everyone went out and got 25 people to download this app? Remember, you get paid monthly for keeping this app. That's over $203,000 a month just for everyone getting 25, right? So if you don't believe those numbers, go down to 10, right? So the power of 10, but I'm going for the gusto. And here's what I love. You know, at 50, if everyone just went out and got 50 people to download this app, that's over $3.1 million. And I'm telling you, when you see this, I know a lot of you guys is like, this can't be real. One thing I'm excited about is I have a personal relationship with the gentleman who has a long-term relationship with the founders. And he says, Frank, these guys are gold. They are grandfathers, fathers. They are Christian guys. These are guys who are legitimate. He says they're not going to scam anyone. So I can stand behind the guy I know. He's standing behind those guys. So I'm excited about this. Now, this could be the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. I think this is the biggest no-brainer. If you love doing what you're doing, keep doing it. This is not to distract you from that, but I think it's so easy. Just do the simple 10 plan. Give away a free app. It's no cost now or ever to 10 people, and just tell everybody to do that, and you're over $5,600 each month.